någon så här, kommer du ihåg några megalånga nätverkslarmar som hände?
Ja.
Vi har kört alla va?
Ja, en ligger ju uppe i taket.
Oanvänd eller?
Nej. Använd. Men jag tog med mig en också. Men den kan ha åkt tillbaka. Jag hade en med mig. Men den kanske...
Nu. Sorry.
Yeah. Oops. Shit. Did I crash my computer? No. Okay. Let's see. I want to do dialogue first, not this. Here. We go here. Dialogues. Here we go. What's this? Show next dialogue. How did I do this? It's getting messy. So here we go. If there's a character, maybe I should just check also if other try get component out dialogue. If there's no dialogue, then we'll be in trouble. So then, if you press interact, I'm gonna show dialogue. Where do I do that? If there's an objective, then I do check objective. And here, okay. Here I send in. We take this out. Put it here. We already we checked this already, so we can just put if current dialogue, and then we send in current dialogue. That should do it. Right. So let's see. If I have a character with just dialogue and not an objective, that would be interesting. All right. Hello. We're doing adventure game development. I'm working towards getting a playable demo out that you can all download and try. So right now there's a bit of stuff going on there, like clipping. There's some visual stuff going on. Obviously, my beautiful main character sprite needs to be improved. But let's see. I'm gonna try and find. Camera clipping is kind of working. So, oh yeah, here's a character. It's bouncing around. Talk to. He has no dialogue. Let's see. He is one of the. That's the guard. There he is. Let's put him here so I can see him. And dialogue. Let's write some dialogue. Oh, he has. He says yes and move along. Yes, question mark. He has no. Okay, talk to. what we call him? Carl of the Guard. He's just gonna use the main character sprite for now. Okay, let's try it. Just gotta get down there. Running down the hill. Maybe a shortcut. Whoa. Yeah, there he is. Bouncing. I gotta check why he's bouncing like that. Talk to. I'm not even getting errors here. Okay. Is that the right guy? Or is there another guard here somewhere? No. I can pick that up. Objective, find the queen. Yeah, so that's fine. All that works. The objectives are kind of working. Now the dialogue needs to work. Oh, okay. Argument out of range. Okay. Where's this guard again? He's here. Okay, let's just see what happens when we go there. I'm just gonna jump here. Whoa! This is obviously not the way you're gonna be able to do it, but some very strange falling going on. Right. Here we go. He's in here. There he is. Talk to. I don't even get the names. Okay, let's see. My player. He has the dialogue. He got it. He caught the dialogue once he entered the trigger. It says current interact object is guard 1. He picks up the character, but not the dialogue. Oh, he doesn't. Okay, the dialogue is in there. It doesn't have a dialogue when I run it. What? Okay. Guard 1. The dialogue script is on him, so why isn't it? Okay. We're gonna have to take out from here. So I'm nulling everything once I exit the the trigger object for that guy. So make sure that nulls as well. Let's try it. It's actually faster to just run down the hill than falling down. There's something wrong with the falling. And jump out here, running across the plains. There you are. Okay. Talk to. Player is picking up the dialogue, and it's null. Dialogue and null. But what I don't understand is the guard's name. Does he not have a name? He does not have a name. Carl. Talk to. Still no. Oh wait. Oh, he picks up name from here. Oh, obviously. Okay. So the character script. Carl is his name. Yes. Is it viewable, all of it? It's almost looking as if the lower part of the screen is getting cut, but there's nothing really happening there. Running down the hill. Okay, now let's see. Talk to Carl. Perfect. That works. He's got 2 dialogues lines lined up here. So when I press interact, why is this not happening then? Let's see. Oh, I only add the dialogues. Yeah, so this is the thing. And in my, what did I do here? In my objective manager, I need to also trigger them. So basically I've made it so you can queue up dialogues and then you can just like take that cue and play it up in sequence. So I'm just adding them. I'm not showing them. So I'm sending in his dialogues here, and then maybe it's just a matter of UI instance show dialogue. I'm just show next dialogue. I'm just worried that there's that actually happens somewhere else. But basically, I'm just punching in his dialogues over to the UI system, and then I'm dispatching that cue to be shown. I really should be putting him closer, so I don't have to run all the way down and then this way just to test this. Maybe I can just put him there. I should actually put him there, because according to the story, the guards come and pick you up at your house. Talk to Carl. Yes? He only said one line though. Move along. Okay. Move along. That's the last line he said. So that's funny. Okay, let's let's move the guard over to where you begin. Up here. So in the intro movie, that's not yet been shown here, it ends with the guards coming to pick you up, to bring you, to tell you to go to the palace. So it actually makes sense that the guard is here, so I don't have to walk all the way. And then maybe he can say something else. He can say, better hurry, Stig. You don't want to keep the queen waiting. And then the next line is, and please put some pants on. This is the first objective, to put on pants. So that's his lines. I think what I'm going to do now is, what I actually do here is I remove his dialogue lines. I don't think that's the way I should do it, because that means he basically just runs out of dialogues. I remove, okay, this happens here. Show dialogue. I remove this. So this is what I'm sending in to that one, and so I'm saying here, if dialogue, okay, wait, careful now. And I'm gonna need two, because there might be more than one dialogue sent into this. So line index and dialogue index equals 0, 2. So they start off at 0. So this is line, and this is dialogue index. So, okay, this is getting pretty damn complex, but if dialogue index count is bigger than 0, if there's still a dialogue, wait. Can I just do this then? If dialogue's count is bigger than 0, yes. Yes. And then we do this one. Don't remove. I'm just going to do this. Dialogue line index equals plus. My wife taught me this. Plus line in dialogue line index and dialogues lines. No. Okay, wait. Yes, thank you. So dialogue line index will be plus equals dialogues count. Nope. Lines count. Okay. So I'm not gonna remove it. I don't want to remove anything while running. So I have a method to adding in dialogues, which includes both this, an array of strings and a name of who's talking and an icon of who's talking. That gets added to that list. The show dialogue function is now saying, okay, wait, hang on. If dialogues count is bigger than 0, just to check. I should be doing this. Dialogue in line index count. No, this is very confusing. So I have a list and a list. That's why this is weird. Okay, let's just pull this out. We're going to get some errors with this, but I'm going to try it anyway. So basically now I'm just going to cycle through the lines, show dialogue, and then in this method I send in, should I send in the index as well maybe? Yeah, maybe. I send in an int index, so I can control which line I'm showing, and we're not going to do remove anymore. So in here I'm going to have to send in the index, dialogue line index. And this one, what does this take? Dialogues, dialogue index. Oh my god. So I'm sending in the dialogue and the line. Dialogue line index is... God, this is complex. Okay. There. Ah, why not? Dialogues, dialogue index count. So I can't, that's, so this is a list, but why can't I? Oh, is it? Oh, I need to do this. No, wait. It's, okay. This one and lines. I'm gonna have to access the list from inside, which is not great, but okay. Hey, let's see how badly it breaks. Okay, start the game. Oh wait, crash. Not crash, but I have a bug there. Alright, so I'm here, I talk to Carl. Please, yeah, that's the second line. Please put some pants on. He only says the last line, but at least now we're not removing dialogues. Please put some pants on. So very good advice. So it's because I started at 0, I guess. Wait, so in this guy, no. Where is it? Where'd it go? Show next dialogue. Show dialogue. I send in the index. Maybe I could, if I do this. The index. Oh, this is messy now. Equals -1. This is not nice, but and then we go the index. We do the same thing here. Equals ++. The index modulo. Where is it? The lines count. So this way, this should be cycling around, and I don't need this here. Ah, gosh, yeah, like boxing hand fingers. All right. So instead of sending in an index from here, which is very weird and dangerous, I'm just gonna let that class cycle through it by itself. Don't do this. Let's see. Hey, talk to Carl. Better hurry, Stig. You don't want to keep the queen waiting. And please put some pants on. Now the only problem is, because now he's cycling through it, is that he closes the dialogue before it's done, which we don't want. We want him to keep talking until all the dialogues are over. So I think what's happening here is I have my interact state. Whenever I press, so, okay. When I enter dialogue, I don't switch state, which might be why. I should be doing this, transition to dialogue state. Because that one has controls for keeping it, well, like a different set of controls. All right. No. Well. At least now the dialogue is not shutting off, but it started on the wrong index. And also, we might not be able to do. We have to do a check inside the show dialogue. Where are you? There's a couple of scripts open now. I can almost not keep track of what the hell's going on. Where's my show dialogue? Show dialogue. Dialogue box. There, this one. So right now I'm just cycling through it, but I think I might have to do this if the index is less than d lines count. Then you d index plus plus. Else, this is where we close it. And how do we do that? I don't have a reference to anything from here, my player-wise. I could just destroy it, I guess. So we're going all the way to, okay. That's a UI object, so it shouldn't be missing from this game or in any way. Talk to. Yeah. I'm still stuck in dialogue input mode though. And I think okay. Why is he starting with what's my D index? It's supposed to be start with 0 then? But then I increase it and then that should not be working. Yeah, please put some pants on. Yeah, I think I need to access this stuff from all the way from my. I have a dialogue state here, which is saying show next dialogue, which should be, this is where it should be happening, and I even have okay, I think I need to simplify this a lot. So I've got, yeah, because here I can say, okay, there's no more dialogue, so close the and return to idle state, which is what we want. And I have a D index here as well. All right, let's do this. We'll do it in here. If any key down, let's do get key down, key code E. That's what it says in the help, that this is the key you press. So we have D index, D line index equals 0. This is ugly coding, but hey. So I'm going to send into this one, we send in int line. This is so ugly. And then, okay, and then we need to send in line. No. Okay. We send in the line index and line index. Ah, come on. And then I'm gonna need well, here I don't have the dialogue. Oh, it's this one. Dialogues. Okay. D-index. Lines count. Oh my god, that's not a pretty line at all. And that's the one I'm sending in to show next dialogue. This int has the current dialogue of the current dialogue box. So I'm sending in, or maybe we send in both of those. So we send in two ints. Int the d-index, that's the current dialogue in the list. Oh wait. And we're also sending in, so I'm sending in this. This has to be done better in a final version of this, because it's just never gonna hold. Okay. But this is at the moment the only way I can get through this. So I'm setting, okay, show dialogue. What is it? You need, you don't actually need I actually don't need that here. I only need, I'm sending in a whole dialogue here with lines and everything. Maybe this one should be a dumb that should just play whatever you send in. So I'm sending in that dialogue. Then I'm gonna send in int line. That is terrible. Okay. We don't do this. We don't do this anymore. No destruction inside here. I'm just gonna display the line that is being sent in. Ugly, ugly, ugly. That's right. Error. Okay, wait. I think I just made a boo-boo in, where is it? Yeah, no, not there. Dialog state. Oh, here. And then D line. Okay. Let's see. Clear. Oh, there's still an error. Okay. Where are we near? Player FSM. So I'm saying show next dialogue. Maybe we do this instead. We don't actually do that. But when we transition to dialog state, yes, that's when it does so on enter state. So that's okay. That's actually cleaner. So we just say, hey, there's a dialogue. Let's start it. We don't have to care what index we are on. All right, talk to Carl. Please work. Better hurry, Stig. You don't want to keep the queen waiting. And please put some pants on. It works. It works. Okay, now we just have to make sure we switch back. So here okay, so instead of doing this test, we do if d-line index is less than UI instance dialogues d-index lines. This is so bad. Lines count. Oh, I can't even spell dialogues. D-line index plus equals 1. Else, here we go. This one goes here. And then we take this stuff. So if that happens, if the index is reaching the end, we show notifications if there are any, we hide the boxes, and we return to player state. Good, okay. Yes. Oh, error. This is, okay. What's wrong here? Oh, I didn't do a... There. Ah. No, the else goes here. There we go. Okay, there we go. Hello, guard. Better hurry up, Stig. You don't want to keep the queen waiting. Ah. Now what? Out of range. Okay, that just means... Alright, I have to... I think I have to do -1 here. Because we still want to add 1 before it's over. And then we close. No. Well. Yeah, okay. So I did... Oh, wait. I'm still doing this here. Okay, that's not right. D-line index. Okay, let's just take this out. I don't know what that's even doing anymore. Alright. Well, it does end it. I need to reset the index though. Let's do that here. Equals 0. So if we ever come back, it will start again. There's one more extra click though. I don't understand why. So, better hurry. Please put pants on. Then I click. And then I click. Then it's over. Why is that? But now I can at least do it again. Now we just need to see. So, is it? I return to idle state here. Is it? Oh, do I need to do this first? Maybe? Hide. Yeah, I think so. It's just I need to do it in the right order. Okay. No. So close the dialogue. Oh yeah, because now I'm not even using my... That's pretty cool though. So I skipped using my show dialogues list script, which is, I think... Oh, it's here. Do I need to reset here maybe? Oh god. Show dialogue, D index is coming in from there, and D line. Okay. And in my dialog state, so I press E. Is it? Was it this? No, I don't think this is it. Ah, it seems to be working now. That's awesome. Hey, better hurry. Don't want to keep the queen waiting. Please put some pants on. So, for the demo, you're basically being woken up, and you're supposed to head down to the queen to get your mission. But first, obviously, you will have to get dressed. And this is not your pants just yet. This is just a representation of that. So I'll put them over there, and these icons will have to be drawn. So basically, you come in from the intro. The current objective is wear pants. Oops, what happened there? Talk to Carl. Better hurry, Stig. You don't want to keep the queen waiting, and please put on some pants. Now this presents a problem. So if I pick up the pants, he should not be completed. Wear pants. One objective completed. The next objective is find the queen. You can see him. I can actually see her from over here. Can you see her? Right there. Far, far away. But then the problem now is he should not be saying please put some pants on anymore, because that should be part of the objectives. That is an issue. I wonder if I should actually go into this complexity. Like, would all, I guess, would there be a string for everyone that you would? And what if you went all the way to the queen without pants? How would I deal with that? Is that a mission critical? Completed, wear pants. Find the queen is the next objective. We're going. Okay. It's a bit weird that this door opens inward. But I guess it's because it's a spring joint. The camera is kind of keeping up. There's a bit of like issues when you go behind something. There's the queen. Stig, you're finally here. I need your help. Can I count on you? I had your dagger polished. It's in the armory. Good luck, Stig. We're counting on you. Completed. Find the queen. Find your dagger. So what happens if I do this again then? Well, okay. At least I'm not getting the objective notifications set like back again. So my knife, okay, I'm not even sure I can get this one anymore. And I need to put it somewhere. It's supposed to be like in the basement of the tower. Ow. Is it over here? It's in here somewhere. And I don't think I can get, I can get to it. There it is. Buggy. Pick up dagger. Completed, find your dagger. But it didn't pick it up. You can't see it, but there's a debug log saying done, which is the demo. You basically, that's the way to complete the demo. But okay. Where is this? Stig's sword. And we put it inside here instead. Like, let's put it up here. Well, you can't reach it there. Put it up here. So what happens when you okay, so when you go in and interact, this is the interact one. It first checks if it's an item or a character or an objective. So if it's an item, just set it to false for now. This is later going to be the inventory. So am I getting it? Okay. It's on the trigger enter. Okay. I'm trying for item and I'm printing the name. Yes, that's okay. Yeah, that should be enough. But for some reason, okay. And then this is the check for objectives. If right now it says contains, you can actually do the objectives in any order, which is maybe not great. And then I remove it from the list. And then if there's no more objectives, basically that you've finished the game. That's how simple it is. So here it should just be. So what's happening here? I should just put this in here. And then let's put I'm just going to put this in for now. Instead of doing a debug log, I'm just going to say you finished the demo, just to see that it is kind of working. And then I'm going to have a separate screen showing whatever happens after that. I really have to rethink how I do the dialogues. If they're supposed to be like contingent on, like if you've completed some quest, they should be saying one thing. If you've completed another, then you should be saying something else. Oh, now I'm not going to be able to finish because I forgot to pick up the pants. Oh, bug. You're not supposed to be able to fall off the edge there. Coming up the tower. This actually works pretty well. Talk to her. Find the queen is completed. But my objective is still wear pants. And I'm just continuing on going on the outside of the tower, and here's the sword. Pick up dagger. Completed. Find your dagger. Yes. Okay. The objective I still have is pick up pants. I'm just gonna shortcut. Okay. Well, let's go back up there then. Ow. I think so. The problem is there is a way to get up over here. I think I have to make it clear where you can go and not go. Ah, there's a gap in the woods there. So here's the uphill, I think. Nope. How do you get up here? Up. Yeah, climb up. No. Oh, it's here. No. Ah, you can actually cheat a little bit. So you're coming up the hill. Stig is coming up the hill. Watch out. I think I just have to change the order of when you pick something up, like this one. It still says there. Okay, now it's it. You finished the demo. Yeah, there's a little bit of an issue here when you pick up an item. See. You're in the interact state. We set, okay, I need to, yeah, this is fairly simple. So if we're dealing with an item, we should just set the state back to idle state. Yeah. So right away you can start moving again. But if it's dialogue, then you have a different set of controllers to use. So that's fine. It's getting closer and closer to some kind of playable demo. So, talking to Carl is fine. Pick up is fine. I didn't get my... okay, it skipped the objective now. It actually ends then? I still want to do this though. Maybe we do... do we need to do this first then? Just to make sure it happens. So an item can be an objective, but a character can also be an objective. So, if I pick this up now... No objective notification. Completed wear pants. Only then? Why is it happening then? Current interact object. Should I be doing this like all the way in the top? I just want to make sure that this happens before anything else happens. So, yes, my objective is to wear pants. If I pick up pants. No. Completed wear pants. Oh, I know what it is. So, yeah, it doesn't really matter where I put this, but my check objective is not okay because I moved this. I need to... This is where I set the new objective. I guess I have to put that here. So I add completed objective, and then I add the new objective. Yeah, okay. So that's fine. So pick up pants. No. It only happens after. Why is that? Okay, because I don't do show notifications until after dialogue, so I need to make sure I show okay, here. So yeah, I'm doing it here. Maybe I should just put it at the end of this, so that if there are notifications added, I dispatch them from the queue. So I'm just gonna pick up my pants. Yes, completed wear pants. Bro. That's good. Added objective, find the queen. Why am I getting a double though? That's not right. Running through the woods. Whoa. Okay. The objective marker is working. If I press O, find the queen. That's my current objective. Yes. Let's go up the tower. Completed, find the queen. Yeah, so that's right. No, it's not. I want to do this after the dialogue finished. Ideally, that should not happen. Okay, I'll move it in the back again. And then I pick up the sword. You finish the demo. Excellent. What do we do this then? I'll just put it in after I pick up the item. Oh, so nice. Crack. Check objective. Maybe I just put it in after this. Yeah, why don't we do this? Let's try that. Like forcing it to display the notifications, but I'm just worried I'm doing it in so many places it does it twice. Completed wear pants. Added objective, find the queen. And I think it's going to repeat. Nope. It's almost as if I need to have the guard confirm or like look at the objectives list and see if he's finished, like putting the pants on, for example. Oi. Mm-hmm. Okay. Why don't we... I need to make sure I also play my cutscene. Yeah, okay. So I have, when I'm in menu state, oh my god, so many files. Where's my menu game state? Yes, I go straight to play state. I should go to cut scene state. And where's my cutscene state though? Here. And let's see. I need to make sure I set cutscene view to false. UI as well. This turns off. This is when you go into the game, but then when you enter the cutscene game state, these need to go on. True. Fat true else. Okay. And then what happens here in the update? If you press anything during the cutscene, you should be going to play state. You can skip the cutscene. Oh wait, escape. Let's just take that out. So basically, if you start the game, and you press anything during the cutscene, you start the game. You can't escape. You can't like go back to the menu from there. Okay, let's see if that actually did it. Start. Yeah. We did get the cutscene, but it didn't play anything. Let's see. So my cutscene view is here. And how did I do this? I have an intro here. I need to, okay. What's this controller script doing? I actually have a cutscene controller with a play cutscene. Oh yeah, this is good. So we don't need this. What am I doing here? Oh, I'm using events and stuff here. Let's just take away this stuff. We have a list of scenes and a renderer, and I can play my cutscene. I can finish them. Oh, that's a listener for the finish. So I should probably move this then into my cutscene state. Where are you? So many files. Where are you? There. Cutscene game state. So I'm gonna make a public void in here. This is not right. What I should be doing is I'm gonna put in I need a reference for that though. So this should basically go play the cutscene. But which one? How do we know which one? Game. Do I have current views? Cutscene view. Oh, that's not it. But I'll need to have that as a reference there. So here I have. I don't even have one. Public, read only, player cut. Is that cutscene state? Is there a... Oh, wait. This is not a player thing. This is a game thing. Yeah. Here we have cutscene game state. I'm gonna need to put in public cutscene controller intro cutscene. There. Now we can reach it. Play cutscene. Yes, that's it. And in here, I should maybe do a callback here though to say the cutscene is finished. Otherwise you're gonna have to press something, but that's okay, I guess. Okay, let's see what we have. In the game manager then, I'll put in the intro. Cutscene. See if it works. Play. Yes. It plays my slideshow cutscene. What's that like? What's lighting up the night sky? The Queen has summoned you, Stig. We need you right away. So that's the intro. And then this is a guard. So you can kind of it flows into it. It should just take away this dialogue. Can I? It would be interesting if I could just add a dialogue box to an objective. But then how would I know who? Ah, that's very complex. But yeah, it's coming along. I need to build Stig's house. Which should be up on this hill. And I need to figure out why this notification ends up in the corner and not center screen. It's very weird. Shit, excuse me. But overall it's starting to come together. It's still running pretty okay, even though I've maxed out like all the grass and flowers and trees and stuff. I guess it's kind of cheating by using locked camera view and billboards, but I think it's okay. Ouch. Running uphill. It's a bit annoying with the cameras moving back and forth to try and avoid being blocked. But it's kind of nice to... Oh. And then, okay. I'm trying to remember how to walk to... Oh yeah, you walk up here, I think. So you end up here. I'm gonna make the door smaller, I think. It looks a bit... Because it's like, you can't really... Even though it's like on a spring. I guess you can come around there. And then I still need to fix the clipping of the camera. And I think we need some torch lights and stuff in here. Like some ambient... to make some ambience. So here we go. Why does that notification end up there? Oh, that's not nice. A tree is cutting straight through. And over here we can see all the way into the background, breaking the illusion. Okay. You finished the demo! What I could actually do is, in my game, so I have an intro cutscene and I have an end cutscene. You can just have that play instead. So not just having a notification, we just end with another slideshow. So we have that there, ending is here. And I think it just says, let's try it. Yeah, so this one takes a few strings, but it also has images that are yet to be drawn, so we can have like a little bit of a background. Okay, the objectives are pick up your pants. I'm gonna shortcut this here. Talk to the queen and pick up your sword. That's the demo, basically. I think the demo, maybe the next version of the demo should have some fighting as well. Right now it's just dialogues, maneuvering. I also want to fix the depth of field effect, because right now when the camera is moving up and down, the hero moves out of focus. Okay, that was double notifications. That's another thing I need to do. I got a huge list of things to do. I'm gonna reference the coroutine that does the notifications so they don't double up. Alright, pick up. Oh wait, I didn't put in that it would actually play it. So in my objectives manager, instead of doing a debug log, you finished the demo. Okay, wait, how am I gonna... I'm gonna have to tell the game manager. Let's see, can I reach that game? No. Because it's not I stopped using singletons. But now I'm gonna need a reference to this anyway. I need to do a switch state from this is okay from the I have a menu game state. Where's my play state? Oh god, there's so many files. This one, play state. Play game state. So this is where I can switch back to the menu. But I need to be able to switch back to how do I do that? Basically the objective manager needs to be able to tell the game manager that there are no more objectives. The game is over. I guess I could... Oh, I hate it though, but... So I'm doing a static singleton here. I guess I could do it in game as well. That way I can always reach it. So then in my objective manager I can just go from here, game, instance, How do I do this and play cutscene? No. Switch state to game. No. Cutscene state. No. Cutscene game state. I need to. Oh. So. What am I sending in here? Game based state. So. Cut. Should be this. What am I calling it? I need a reference to that though, to be able to do it from here. So how do I do it from, because it's from oh, where is it? Menu, switch game state to cutscene. I'm not even saying which cutscene. We need to fix that. But that'll be for tomorrow. I gotta go now. Thanks for watching. Almost there. There's a demo on the way.